You don't look too great yourself, okay? Yeah, you better step back. You see this face? This is a face that will... Swimming on geskuk, ne?
All right, Dusty.
Just
I
want to get
know,
off
but
the
she's
moon.
not some miner anymore, Lynn.
Ruben.
Soon as she touched that rock, something
I'm gonna
changed.
try not play it at
Tell me you can't
home
feel
so
it.
that I like progress through the
Fine.
story with you guys.
Stop
the cap.
Get out of here, Dusty.
Thank you,
You're on
Lynn.
to bigger things.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Don't let her break my ship.
I thought it wasn't your ship. Play the game on the hardest. The AI feels way better. Okay. I actually don't know what we're playing. Gameplay. I'm just playing on normal. Challenge accepted. And hey bro. No, why are you looking? I just want to talk, friend. Why do you stop just reloading? Is she a... I should have looked at my health. Bonk, 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 bonk. Easy, guys. How this is going to work is, for the next 4 streams, you guys will have a chance during stream to enter into the giveaway. So if you come to watch every single stream, you essentially by the 4th stream will have 4 entries into the giveaway. So every single week we are going to give you guys a chance to enter for the giveaway. From next week, the next stream, I'll open the giveaway immediately. You guys can get your entries in, or I'll let you know when we start it. And then with the 4th stream, I will be doing a grand reveal of the winner. I will be entering every single person. Every single person's entries will be entered into that giveaway, and then the winner will be selected. So the more you watch the stream, the more entries you get, the more chance you have to win it. But you have to be on stream as well for that.